दोस्तों कैसे हैं आप लोग। और आपका मैं स्वागत करता हूं इस अद्भुत गेमिंग वीडियो में जो आ रहा है रॉ मैच गेमिंग एंड व्लॉग्स में। तो ये क्या हो गया, मैं अभी के लिए खेल रहा हूं सिर्फ TDM। और मेरे को जल्दी से करना था, मैंने दूसरी वीडियो बनाई पर मैं थोड़ा उसमें मतलब माइनक्राफ्ट की मैंने एक सीरीज़ बढ़ाई थी पर वो 1 घंटे का वीडियो बन गया, तो मेरे को थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा। ठीक है, तो अभी के लिए हम खेलेंगे सिर्फ यही। तो चालू करते हैं हम अरीना ट्रेनिंग खेलेंगे आज हम। और बहुत बहुत सारे लोग मेरे से पूछ रहे थे कि गेमिंग वीडियो कब आएगी। तो गाइज, दीज आर फॉर दोज who were waiting, and I have added my voice also in it, so it will be better. You wanted this only, so I gave you this only. And again, MythPat's new video link will be in the description. Go check him out. Very nice YouTuber, actually my favorite YouTuber. What happened to my net? It's lagging. Yeah, now it's perfect. Give me this gun and give me the M4, which I can please. Yeah, let me show you how I play. Let me do this. Yeah, let me just, I prefer instead of rush gameplay, sometimes camping gameplay, only in TDM though, not in the real match. It's very hard because nowadays very pro bandas are playing, so it's very, please come out. Oh, shit, I'm gonna die. I still have 0 kills. I'm gonna die. Oh, there is one guy over here. What am I? Feck. I'm not playing good, I know. Shit, I'm dead. Wait a minute. We cannot do rush gameplay now. 1 kill. Awesome. If you want me to do M24 only challenge, please comment down below and I will do more gameplays of these if you want. Very good. There is one more guy over here. If you want me to do any other gameplays, tell me and I will do it. I don't have any problem. किल चोरिया दोस्त कर मैंने. Shit. Dead boy. Oh no, Ned. I don't want to take risk. Shit. 3 kills. Very nice. I am playing good though. I got continuously 3 kills without dying even once. Sometimes I'm just little bit of scared that banda can come from this side and even from this side. So this is a loophole over here. Someone is doing M24 only. Oh, it's my team member only. Let me go from here. Who died? No one died. I know it's a little bit of boring, but it is what it is. I like to play camping gameplay in TDM, then rush gameplay sometimes as per my mood. I think I need to go front for some kills. Let me camp over here. Who is playing this good? Okay, okay, okay. I am getting no kill. Why am I not getting any kill? Where? I don't have any kills. What shall I do? I don't have any kills. Shit, man. I want it that way. He got an headshot. Let me go and do rush. This will not work. Oh shit. Very nice aim he has. I played very badly. Sorry for that, guys. Please last kill mine. Please. Arey yaar. I'm not playing good these days. Only 3 kills? The least kills in the game. Shit. Not fair, dude. Not fair. What happened? Yeah. I was saying that I am not getting kills. Now this time let's play only rush. No camping, only rush. I want some little bit of pro players in front of my team. Oh, I got this place. I'll show you one camping spot over here. PUBG players, this is for you. I'll show you one camping spot, which I think you might know, but still, better to do this only. You stand over here and come over here. Most of the times you will win like that. Means it's not that accurate, but sometimes when someone is doing, let me do this. First kill is mine. Very nice. Oh no, shit. How he got to know my place, even though I was not very visible from there? I'm getting little bit of hacker vibes. Why, I don't know. Okay. Okay, nice. Very nice. I know I am again doing camping, but this is good. He came again. Let me kill him. Oh shit. Bandus are this side. It's little bit of scary over. What? What are you doing, dude? What are you doing? What are you guys doing? Can you come? Yes. Gone. Gone. Over here also. There is one guy over here. Very nice. I am little bit of scared. That guy knows my location, I think. Gone. 7 kills. Very nice. Dappa. Dappa, dappa, dappa. Shit. I realized him in the last. No, 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 no. Please come. Oh shit. Now he got to know my location. Please, can you do rush on me? He got an headshot. Why he didn't got killed? Shit, no, yaar. I got 8 kills, buddy. This time. In here, I can do camping because sometimes people completely don't know my location. Take pick, take pick, take pick, take pick, take pick. Shit. Dude, take pick. I am playing like a shit. Seriously, I'm playing like shit. Now let's go little bit of front. पीछे से धप्पा. No, 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 no. Shit, yaar. What happened to me? I'm getting... Come out, you idiot. Lol. You... Oh, no, 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 no. Why is he in our group? Shit, 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 shit. Go, 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 go. Gone? No, 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 no. Abbe, yaar, shit. I'm getting kacha in this. No, nade him, nade him, nade him, nade him, nade him. Shit. How can two people rush at one guy at the same time? Shit, there is one guy behind me. No, 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 no. Everyone is near beat only. No, 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 no. No! Shit. This time we are gonna lose. Wow. Only two. Everyone left because we were... This only I don't like in this game. They leave the group just like that. Okay, this time I have the MVP of this game. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I am ending it now. I know why so early. Because I want to sleep. And I need to edit this vlog. So let's meet you in the next gameplay vlog which will be coming tomorrow. So, bye-bye.